Today we will prepare together delicious grilled zucchini skewers, a light and aromatic side dish enriched with herbs and a touch of Parmesan. For this recipe, we will need 2 large zucchinis, extra virgin olive oil, salt, black pepper, dried oregano, fresh lemon juice, and optionally, grated Parmesan and aromatic herbs like rosemary or thyme. Start by washing the zucchinis and cut them into slices about ½ centimeter thick. Place the slices in a bowl and dress them with extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, oregano, and a bit of lemon juice. Mix well to flavor each slice. Heat a grill or a grill pan on the stove. Skewer the zucchini slices onto skewer sticks, alternating them with aromatic herbs if you wish. Grill the skewers on each side until they are lightly browned and tender, for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Once ready, you can serve them hot, and if desired, with a sprinkle of grated Parmesan. This recipe is very versatile. You can add other ingredients to the skewers, such as cherry tomatoes, onions, or chunks of cheese, suitable for grilling. If you want to stay updated on other delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit our website for many more tasty ideas.